Earth's inner core spins faster than the planet's surface. Some species of jellyfish are biologically immortal. The total length of human blood vessels could circle Earth twice. Mercury has no atmosphere to retain heat, causing extreme temperature swings. Dragonflies have a 95% hunting success rate. A cloud of alcohol exists in space near the constellation Aquila. Human bones are stronger than concrete. The Sahara Desert expands by about 0.8 kilometers per month. Fungi communicate through underground electrical signals. Sunlight takes 100,000 years to travel from the sun's core to its surface. The human heart creates enough pressure to squirt blood 30 feet. Mount Everest grows approximately 4 millimeters taller each year. Honey guides lead humans to beehives in mutualistic relationships. A single human chromosome contains DNA 2 meters long. The coldest known natural place in the universe is the Boomerang Nebula, at negative 458 degrees Fahrenheit, or negative 272 degrees Celsius. Some bacteria can conduct electricity along nanowires. Earth has a second, smaller moon named Kamoo'alewa. Cephalopods have decentralized brains with neurons in their arms. The Pacific Ocean is shrinking due to plate tectonics. Human corneas don't require blood vessels, obtaining oxygen directly from air. Some rocks on Earth originated from Mars. Giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans, 7. Quantum particles can tunnel through seemingly impenetrable barriers. The Amazon rainforest produces 20% of Earth's oxygen. A day on Pluto lasts 153 Earth hours. Wood frogs freeze solid during winter and thaw back to life. There are more possible iterations of a game of chess than atoms in the observable universe. The deepest human-made hole is the Kola Super Deep Borehole, 12.2 kilometers deep. Some butterflies drink turtle tears for sodium. The moon has seismic activity called moonquakes. A single teaspoon of honey represents the lifetime work of 12 bees. Supercooled water can remain liquid down to negative 40 degrees Celsius. Venus has over 1,600 major volcanoes, more than any other planet. The human liver can regenerate up to 75% of its mass. Neutron stars spin up to 600 times per second. Some desert snails can sleep for years. Earth's magnetic poles have reversed 183 times in the last 83 million years. The average cumulus cloud weighs 1.1 million pounds. Arctic tern migrations span 25,000 miles annually. Some mushrooms glow in the dark through bioluminescence. The Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies will collide in 4.5 billion years. Human saliva contains a painkiller stronger than morphine, known as opioorphin. The largest known volcano is Olympus Mons on Mars, spanning 370 miles wide. Some plants can perform basic arithmetic for nutrient management. The first exoplanet was discovered in 1992. The human small intestine is approximately 22 feet long. Antarctica has a subglacial lake, Lake Vostok, untouched for 15 million years. Some fish walk on land using modified fins. A lightning strike can create temporary nuclear fusion reactions. The world's oldest known water, 1.6 billion years old, is in a Canadian mine. Some trees communicate danger through underground fungal networks. The human body contains about 0.2 milligrams of gold. Neptune's moon Triton has active geysers erupting nitrogen. Your fingerprints form in the womb after touching amniotic fluid. The hottest planet isn't Mercury, but Venus due to the greenhouse effect. Some birds use stars for navigation during migration. The largest single-celled organism is the aquatic alga Caulerpa taxifolia. Human red blood cells lack DNA. The moon has water ice in permanently shadowed craters. Some bacteria can survive radiation doses 3,000 times lethal to humans. The sun produces more energy in 1 second than humanity has used in all history. Some crystals demonstrate piezoelectricity, generating electricity under pressure. Antarctica has a blood-red waterfall, Taylor Glacier, from iron-rich brine. The human brain generates 12 to 25 watts of electricity. Some spiders use electrostatic forces to balloon through the air. The first synthetic element was technetium, discovered in 1937. Your appendix may serve as a reservoir for beneficial gut bacteria. Some minerals like halite or rock salt are edible. The fastest supercomputer performs over 1 quintillion calculations per second. Some fish species change sex in response to environmental cues. The Great Blue Hole in Belize is over 1,000 feet deep. Human hair can support up to 100 grams in weight. Some exoplanets rain molten glass sideways due to fierce winds. The oldest known ice core records date back 800,000 years. Some beetles shoot boiling chemicals from their abdomen for defense. The deepest known earthquake occurred 751 kilometers below Japan. Some species of ants farm fungi for food. The human eye can distinguish 10 million different colors. Some bacteria create electricity while cleaning wastewater. The largest organism is a fungus in Oregon covering 2,385 acres. Some deep-sea creatures produce their own light through bioluminescence. The coldest recorded temperature on Earth's surface is negative 144 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 98 degrees Celsius in Antarctica. Some plants can hear running water and grow toward it. The first photograph took 8 hours of exposure time in 1826. Some snails have iron sulfide scales on their feet for rock adhesion. The universe's expansion is accelerating due to dark energy. Some viruses can survive in permafrost for millennia. The largest snowflake ever recorded was 15 inches wide. Some crystals grow in hyperbolic forms like Romanesco broccoli. The longest echo ever measured lasted 112 seconds in Scotland. Some tardigrades survive by replacing their body water with sugar. The fastest gust of wind ever recorded was 253 miles per hour during a tornado. Some deep-sea worms have no mouth or gut, relying on symbiotic bacteria. The first antibiotic, penicillin, was discovered accidentally in 1928. Some minerals like fluorite fluoresce under ultraviolet light. The largest bacterium is Thiomargarita magnifica, 2 centimeters long. Some birds sleep with one eye open and half their brain awake. The oldest known DNA was recovered from 1.2 million-year-old mammoth teeth. Some plants like the Venus flytrap count touches before closing. The CRISPR gene editing system was adapted from bacterial immune defenses. Thanks for watching.